Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. So today we are going to do the summer makeup. So yeah, let's get started. So as you know, this is a summer makeup. So first we are going to use a moisturizer. So I am doing the Cetaphil ka moisturizer, then I will be using the sunscreen. So after sunscreen, because this is a summer makeup, so sunscreen is must. And then I will be using the primer. After that I will be using the foundation. So yeah, I'm using the BB cream of Mars ka, because this is a light makeup. I don't want a heavy makeup, that's why I'm not using the perfect foundation. So yeah, I forgot to use a concealer and corrector. So this is a look, one side look. You can see there's a patchy, it's looking like a patch. So at the second part of my face I'm using the corrector and then concealer. I will be, so this is the same brand Mars ka corrector and concealer both. So I'm using the beauty blender. I'm blending it. First I have applied a concealer to my dark circle, like I have lots of dark circles, so that can help me to cover that area. And then second I am using the concealer, and after that I will be using the foundation, so that you can check the base. It's so strong and so clear, like there's no patchwork in that. So yeah, I will be suggesting you to buy the mask. This is a budget friendly and a best foundation shoots on my face. So yeah, you can see the transformation. See that this part is very clear and this is a very patch. So yeah, and after that I will be just doing the same thing on the both the side, and then I come back to you all. And like as you all see, my neck is not matching to my face, so I'm applying a little foundation on my neck too. So yeah, after applying on my neck, I have used the loose powder to set my base. Yeah, I'm using the Sugar Pop ka loose powder. I don't like you know this powder will help you to set your base. Also you can see the oily part over here. After applying the powder, it's a very dry and it's looking very settle. I am going to use a contour. I am using the powder contour of Swiss Beauty ka. In that you will get, I have shown you all the product in my previous video, you can go and check the. So I will take a little product, I will dab to my area where I have to correct that, and then I will blend that. I will not directly blend to my face, because of that will look so patchy. So that's the reason I am just putting the product on my face, and then I am applying towards upward side, so that the jaw can be visible properly, and it will be look nice. After that I'm using the blusher. I don't want very dark, as this is a day makeup and a very light and same makeup process I will be using this as a upward side, because I don't want to look like a chubby face. I don't have a chubby face, that's why I'm going to use that upward side. After using the highlighter, I will use highlighter from my finger only, because I don't want much. So after that, eyeshadow, like this is a very subtle and light makeup, so I'm going to use the base of the highlighter, sorry, eyeshadow, the eyeshadow which match to my skin tone, the light orange color. And then I will, after my base is done, I will be using a bit darker one. So like I am using the brown color of eyeshadow, so that it can be visible on my face. So after applying that, I don't want much, I want a little, so I will use the same process. First I will take a product on the brush, I will dab, and then I will blend it on my eye. So after that you can see, like there's a little product which is not looking very nice, like that is, see, I'm using my hand in that. So that I will take a clean brush, no product in that, so I will blend it out, so that it won't look very weird. So yeah, I'm done with my eyeshadow. I will not use eyeliner, because I don't want a heavy makeup. I will directly use the mascara. I am using the Maybelline ka mascara, and also I am using only the upper lash size. You can see the different, the eyes so lifted. So I will not use in the lower area, because I don't want heavy makeup, as I told you all. So now I'm directly using the kajal, because kajal is must for me. I like kajal so much, so that's why I can't skip the kajal. And after applying that, you can see my eyes, you can see the different on my eyes, it's looking wow. So that after that I will be using the eyebrow. So I'm not using much, I'm just using the product which left on the brushes. I'm just brushing my eyebrow and done. I forgot to take the lipstick video, but I'm not loving the lipstick color, so because of that I want a very light color. So that's why I'm using the concealer on my lipstick. You can see the different, and also it can change the lip color. So yeah, I love this hack. You guys can also try that. Also, if you guys like my video, to like and subscribe my channel so that you can get the daily updates. So you can see the difference of my lip. Wow, it's looking very nice and subtle, and yeah, I'm loving the color. So do like and comment and tell me how do you like my makeup. I'm done with my makeup and I'm just going to straighten my hair. And yeah, let's show you the final result. Do comment and let me know if you like my video, and do subscribe my channel. If there's any question, do comment me down so that I can solve all your problem. And yeah, thank you for watching guys, stay tuned.